Good morning, traders. This is Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist, DailyFX.com. This is my idea of the day for October 13th, 2014. Today we're taking a look at the dollar-yen exchange rate. Some interesting things going on here on the daily chart. You can see we had this nice breakout over the past couple months from this big, long consolidation pattern. Quite bullish, quite impulsive. What I think is quite interesting now, though, is we finally had our first kind of real material pullback, and kind of some things that are developing that suggest it is just a pullback within an uptrend and not a full-on change in trend. And one of the things I think best shows that uh, is volume. So if you look at this as volume of some of our FXCM client base, you can see on the move up, volume has risen pretty steadily, with the latest move coming well above average volume. I denote that just by this is a 2-week. This spread line is just a 2-week average of volume. So you can see during the more impulsive phase, really we're well above average volume. What's interesting though is if you look at the past few days, we have this pullback. It hasn't been very impulsive, but more importantly, it's been on very, very weak volume, well below average volume. So the move up has been on well above average volume. Move down has been below average volume. That's pretty textbook in terms of if you look at Edwards McGee and just standard technical analysis, which suggests this is probably just a corrective move within a burgeoning uptrend. How far it goes is the question. The market did get a bit ahead of itself from a sentiment perspective. We did register some significant extremes in the DSI and some other measures I look at up here. So perhaps we are due for a bit more of a pullback, but in the end, this does look like just a corrective move within a broadening uptrend. And if you do some simple Fibonacci retracements going back to the breakout point, things like that, it argues 38% retracements right around 106.65. Some other levels, the 50% retracement went around 105.60. So perhaps a retracement down to there. But as long as the volume doesn't start to pick up markedly, it'll be difficult to get too negative on this pair. But worth watching over the next few days to the next couple of weeks, I think, as especially this volume figure. That's quite interesting and a potential bullish development in the medium term. Good luck, profitable trading. Christian Kerr signing off.